sneaker collection update video, I told you guys that Bred 4s are one of my grails. So when a reimagined pair was going to drop, of course I had to cop a pair. Hey guys, I'm the Bred and today we'll be talking about Air Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined. Now this won't be just a review. Since I also have the 2019 pair, this will be a comparison video as well. Although there isn't a major difference between both the pairs except the material used. But let's start with the unboxing. The reimagined pair has a grey lead with black paint splatter over it with a red Jumpman logo along with the white flight text. It also has the Nike Air logos on the sides, whereas the 2019 pair has a black lead with same red Jumpman logo and white flight text, although the logo on the side is a Jumpman logo. Now coming to the box of the reimagined pair is black, whereas the box of 2019 pair is grey with a black paint splatter over it. Basically, the boxes have been flipped. Now inside the box, the reimagined pair comes in these white butter paper, whereas the 2019 pair comes wrapped in this black plastic kind of sheet. Now before we talk about the pair, let's talk about the hang tags first, as they are different as well. The reimagined pair has a black hang tag, whereas the hang tag of 2019 pair is orange. Now coming to the shoes, the reimagined pair is completely made up of this black leather, which is soft and feels a bit premium. On the other hand, the quality check on these pairs is just trash. As you can see, the leather on the toe box is sticking out, and I have seen some other pairs as well where the quality check was even worse. Now coming to the 2019 pair, it is completely made up of nubuck, and there aren't any QC issues on the 2019 pair, at least not on my pair. Just based on the materials used on both the pairs, I would say the 2019 pair looks better, whereas the reimagined pair is more wearable, as the 2019 pair fades away or becomes ashy the more you wear. Now when it comes to other aspects, both the pairs are identical. Both the pairs come with black laces, have grey lace cage, Nike Air tag on the back, black knit cage on the side, grey and the white midsoles, and white and red outsole. And both the pairs have white sock liner and red insoles. Now some on-feet clips of both the pairs side by side. Now I would have done the styling part, but I just did that with the satin braids, and I would say I would go with the same outfits for these as well. And that's it for the video. If you liked what you saw and would like to watch more of such content, maybe consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel, and maybe I'll see you around.